Hi, I'm Nick Goldie, a Senior Account Manager at Routeco. Today we've got a customer with us from Mechatronics Experience Day, and what we've done is we've brought together various technologies, equipment and specialists to demonstrate many different areas of automation and robotics. And what we can do for you is we can create bespoke demonstrations and sessions based around kind of your specific challenges, goals, and that's to help you give the best return on your time. We can also host you for more kind of free-flowing days where our specialists help you kind of generate thoughts, ideas, maybe how to improve your processes, improve your machines, your manufacturing systems, and therefore kind of achieve your personal and business goals.
Hello, my name is David Hume from Doosan Robotics, and this is my colleague here, René Zwart. He's our automation specialist from the Netherlands. We're here demonstrating technology and automation solutions for a new opportunity with Kaikeku, who is a quick service food operator in the UK, who's looking into technology which can better provide higher levels of service to their customers through automating and making more efficient their production of their foods. So we're here to show them today our food standard E-Series robot, which can be used in cooking applications.
I'm David Sharp. I'm the Chief Technology Officer of Kaikeku, a venture capital-backed startup that is seeking to bring automation, AI and robotics into the restaurant and beverage business. We're going to be creating new ways of making food and serving food where you can use the automation to empower the human staff to offer a superior customer experience. We first met Nick, David and the Routeco team at one of the exhibitions when we were going around looking at new equipment that we could potentially use for our restaurants. We're delighted to be here today at Routeco looking at the new Doosan E-Series Cobot. This is a robot that can collaborate with humans to make very tasty food in new ways. We're going to be seeking to add some artificial intelligence and other automation technology around the robot so that we can create food and beverage experiences that have not previously been delivered in a quick service restaurant setting.
If you want to know more, just get in touch with either your local account manager, your product specialist, or just give us a ring.